This is a mountain. The boy is hiking up the mountain.
This is a forest. The girl is walking through the forest.
This is a river. The boy is watching the river flow.
This is a lake. The girl is feeding ducks by the lake.
This is a hill. The boy is running down the hill.
This is a village. The girl is walking through the village.
This is a field. The boy is walking through the field.
This is a path. The girl is walking along the path.
This is a farm. The boy is feeding the animals.
This is a bridge. The girl is crossing the bridge.
Today we learned mountain, forest, river, lake, hill, village, field, path, farm, bridge. The boy is hiking to the top of a very high place. What is it? B. Mountain. This place has many tall trees, birds, and wild animals. Which place is it? A forest? The water is flowing across the land toward the sea. What is it called? Sea river? The girl is feeding ducks beside a large area of still water. Where is she? B. Lake. This place has small houses and friendly neighbors. Which place is it? A village. The farmer grows crops and vegetables in this place. What is it called? Sea field. The boy is feeding cows and sheep here. Where is he? A farm.